Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a data entry form in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel, which of course I have done right here now. This is a form already entered into this spreadsheet. And as you can see, I have a lot of data in here that is just going to be like up to 700 of this. So there are a lot of things. Let's say if I want to add new data, it's just going to be very tedious having to add that manually, especially if you want to do it for 200 you want to enter 200 data at the same time. So that's where this form option actually comes in handy. Now, how can you create a data entry form in Excel? From here, head over to the top right corner of your screen, and if you do not have form already, you're going to have to click this customize quick access toolbar. Now click on that, and over here head over to more commands, and when you have more commands, click here that has popular commands and head over to all commands, and it's going to take you into the all commands window. So over here you're going to have to choose form. Come over and locate form. So we have form. So click on form. And once you click on form, click on add form, and form is going to be added. Now it says I already have this on my quick access toolbar, so that means form is already added. But if it has not been added there, once you click on form and you click on add, it's going to be added here. So click on OK. So that means we have form already added to our quick access toolbar. And where's the form? This is the form. So in this data, or in this form, this spreadsheet that has been created here, all you need to do is to select any of the data in there. So this is one, and this select something, you have to change the spreadsheet into a table. You need to format as table. And how do you do that? In this category at the top, head over to home and click on format as table. So we're going to click on, let's say, medium, and click on any of the tables, and all the data is going to be collected as a table. So now that this has been formatted as a table, click on any other data or any data right in the spreadsheet, and go ahead and click on form at the top left corner of your screen. And over here you see now that your data has been included into the space as a form. Now one of 400, so 400 data in this spreadsheet was added. Now you have this, your headings. All the headings were collected, that all the headings was captured, that segments, country, product. So you can see all those headings all the way down to here. So in here you can change or make edits to the columns and to the rows. You can make edits here automatically in this form instead of doing it manually. And now let's say you want to add 200 more data into the spreadsheet. So go ahead and click on new, and in here you can now add new data instead of going all the way down to 700. So enter your new segment, your new country, your new product. We're going to do that. So just type in anything first to see if it's going to work. And just, so that's it. So once I click on close, you'll see that it's going to be added. So we're going to check if that was added. Scroll all the way down to the, oh yeah, so I can see it was added. So ta-da, ta-da, it was added. That's pretty awesome. So if I want to check the form again, I'm just going to click on form here, and I'm back into my form. So if you want to delete any of the rows, so this is the first row. If you want to delete, just go ahead and click on delete, and that entire row is going to be deleted. Okay, so if you want to find, let's say this is the first, and you want to find the next, this is the next, find others, just click on find next and make any edits that you want to make in this form. And that's just when it's go ahead and click on close, and that's going to close. If you want to add a new criteria, go back and click on form and click on criteria for you to add new criteria. So that's it. So that's pretty much how you can create a data entry form in Excel. And I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.